how are you? I hope you all are safe and in good health. So this is the most awaited video, as many of you were waiting eagerly for the diet plans. So I'm going to go ahead with the diet plans today. And or एक चीज़, if any one of you has got medical conditions like PCOD, PCOS or thyroid or any kind of other medical conditions, please go ahead and consult your doctors and then proceed with any kind of diet plans. Okay, so moving ahead, there are a lot of people also, they keep asking कि मेरा belly fat बहुत ज़्यादा है या मेरे आर्म्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो स्पॉट रिडक्शंस तो कुछ होता नहीं है. ओके, यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी टू कट दैट फैट डाउन. एंड यू कैन सी मेरे भी आई हैड मोर ऑन माई बेली फर्स्ट, बट अभी वो थोड़ा सा कम किया है. बट आई स्टिल हैव मोर फैट्स इन माई फेस. सो इसको भी रिड्यूस करने के लिए थोड़ा तो वक्त लगेगा. एंड आई एम स्टिल ऑन माई प्रोग्रेस with my weight loss journey, right? I am even after I go ahead with 58, I am going to cut down more, maybe 56 or maybe 55. I think that will be perfect. So let me know what's your target below, so that we all can go and start our journey together.
Hey guys, good morning. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the washroom. Yes, you need to rush into the washroom and make your stomach empty and come back, and I will let you know what you need to do next. Yes. So after coming back from the washroom, I check my weight on a daily basis just to keep a track on myself, and I have finally reached 58.75. I hope I reach 58 soon.
Guys, so washroom हो गया है, weight check हो गया है. Now the next thing that we need to follow is the detox drink. So check out the detox drink and let me know how you like it.
So for my detox drink, I have a half tablespoon of ajwain, half tablespoon of jeera, a little bit of fennel seeds, that is also called a sauf in Hindi, and I also have cinnamon sticks. And if you have cinnamon powder, then add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Since I didn't have those, I added the sticks for the moment. So these four ingredients are very helpful for your detox, and I'm going to add all these ingredients along with 1 glass of water, and I'm going to boil all of them. Okay. So as you can see that it is almost boiled, so I'm going to strain this out and I'm going to pour it in a glass. So here is my detox drink that is ready, and I'm going to have it with 4 soaked almonds. Please peel this off so that it gives you the right benefits for the digestion. Soaked almonds have helped me personally to improve my digestion. So if you want, please try this out and do let me know how this helps you.
Okay, so detox drink complete हो गई है. After half an hour, you have to have your breakfast. So come on, let's make some breakfast for today.
So for breakfast, I'm going to make 2 egg whites that are going to be totally oil free, and you can see I am going to put the egg yolks and the egg whites in 2 different bowls. So you can try this method out, and do let me know if you know any other methods out in the comment section below. And guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, and please like and share it with your friends who require these kind of motivation and help, so that it's going to motivate me also. So please guys, थोड़ा सा like तो कर दो. Oops, ये छिलका रह गया. So let me just put that aside. And I'm going to add some carrot right now, and let me just add it. Yeah, and a very little salt. Make sure you use very little salt in it, and I'm going to mix it well. Okay, अच्छा से mix करो. Okay, let it get mixed very well. And guys, tip for an oil free egg white is I'm going to use a non-stick pan. Okay, I'm going to use a non-stick pan so that I don't have to use oil, and don't worry, it's going to taste the same, and it's also going to be very very healthy. So yes, you can see I have heated the pan. Once the pan is heated, I am then going to I'm going to then add all the egg whites on it. So let me just heat the pan. Yeah, so the pan is almost heated, so now I am going to put it down my egg whites. Okay, and don't worry, नीचे नहीं चिपकेगा. Okay, so use a nice non-stick pan. So yeah, so I'll just flip it around, and here it goes, my egg is ready. So I'll just flip it.
ओके, सो ब्रेकफास्ट ख़त्म होने के बाद 2 घंटा बाद 1 घंटा बाद आपको भूख लगनी स्टार्ट होती है. सो जब आपको ये भूख लगना स्टार्ट होती है, यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर, देर आर मैनी ऑप्शंस. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आई विल सजेस्ट यू इज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ सीजनल फ्रूट्स. सेकेंड, आप यू कैन हैव coriander and mint juice, and the third thing is you can have coconut water. Okay, so these are the 3 things that you can opt for when you are hungry after your breakfast. So friends, for it's lunch time, and for lunch we are going to eat normal घर का ही खाना खाएंगे.
So for today's lunch, I am going to have 2 multigrain rotis along with some ghar ka sabji and ghar ka normal dal. And along with this diet plan, I'm also going to add some more lunch diet plans in the description box. So do check them out and let me know how you like it, and let me know what type of foods do you like.
सो इट्स इवनिंग टाइम, शाम हो चुकी है एंड हमें स्नैक्स की इंतज़ार है. सो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि स्नैक्स, evening snacks according to me is the most important part of the day, because 90% of the people fail because of snacks, right? Whenever we talk about snacks, we think of singaras, noodles, pakoras, yeah, any kind of junk food from the outside, right? But let me tell you one thing, snacks के लिए you have many options, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है. आई ऑल्सो हैव सम कुक्ड रेसिपी, बट वो आज मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. इफ़ यू वांट टू नो सम कुक्ड snacks recipes, you let me know in the comment section below, and with that comment only I am going to go and proceed with the recipes.
Tell you, I am not a tea wala person, but for people who love tea and coffee, for people who love tea can have 1 cup of green tea. For people who love coffee can have 1 cup of black coffee, and if you want to have milk tea, you can definitely opt for that, but try to use a toned milk, or if you have 1 teaspoon of sugar, try to lessen it up to half teaspoon of sugar. And because sugar is not only good for is not only bad for the weight loss journey, but it isn't also good for your health. So the next thing that I will come across is tea ko chhod ke you have to keep a lot of snacks. Okay, so the first thing is you can have handful amount of unsalted peanut. You can have roasted chana. You can have roasted quinoa with watermelon seeds, with pumpkin seeds. This has a taste of a chanachur, and is a great option for snacks for people who love munching into things. And the next thing that I have is makhana. You just have to add 1 teaspoon of ghee in the karai, and you just have to roast it with the ghee for 5 to 7 minutes, and then it's ready. This also tastes like popcorn, so you can definitely opt for this as well. Or if you want to have fruits, like you can have apple, you can have banana, whatever you want to. Yeah, the next thing that I have is cookies, oats cookies. This is made with raisins, and is made with raisins and almond flour. Okay, so it has, you can see it's gluten free, and it has no maida, no processed sugar, and no whole wheat flour. And this is the love. Okay, it's my love, because this is a great option. Because when you can eat healthy and tasty, why eat junk and unhealthy, right? So opt for certain things that are tasty and also healthy at the same time.
Yeah, so one more important thing is you need to have 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. But if you guys are people like me, जैसे I would take just 1 or 2 liters of water in a day. So don't expect yourself, like जो 1 liter of water पीता है, don't expect yourself to suddenly jump on 4. No, if you have 2 liters of water in a day, try to increase half a liter more. If you have 3 liters in a day, try to increase 3.5 to 3.5. So gradually try to increase your water intake.
Or this is chia seed. It is from New Herbs, and chia seeds has got a lot of fiber, so it keeps you full for a longer period of time. You need to have chia seeds half an hour before your lunch and your dinner. For today's dinner, I made besan ka cheela, and other than this, you can make more other cheelas like suji ka cheela, multigrain cheela. And if you want to know these recipes, or if you want to know some more diet, I will be mentioning it in the description box, so you can check that out. And if you want a separate video on like 10 dinner plans, yeah, 10 breakfast plan, so I can work on that also, but that requires a bit of time. So this is the dinner, and just
Guys for watching it till here, and I am going to put 3 options for each meal in the description box, and do try them out and let me know how this works for you. And in case अगर आपको कुछ लगे कि I can improve myself, like any suggestions, feel free to give me any suggestions, because since I'm very new, and with your support and you guys are the real motivation for me. So if this helps you, please do like and share it with the friends who actually need help. Thank you. Bye bye.